Okay, today we're gonna make a Super Blaster boat. So you take this red palette piece, this one, it's yellow, you can use any type, any color, how long you can choose. And 4 slit pieces, put them in each corner and 2 tilts outside. So now you start with the back. You place this here, and then you just place this pink piece here, and with a touch at the side with these 2 pieces, green and yellow. You can choose either 4, but I didn't have any to find. But no gaps. No gaps allowed. I'm a friendly fellow. So now, because we have this, now we will put the door piece here. And then we will take this red piece, place it there, and one other red piece. And then we will do nothing else but wait for a moment and rest. Just joking, don't do anything like that. Press this 1x6 brick here and place it here. We don't need any 4 here. Do not place any 4 there. Okay, so now we're gonna make the blast. Let's clear this and take this piece. Take the computer piece. And then you place this computer piece, the laptop piece, and then we do the blaster. We just need the traffic light piece without towels at the bottom, and place 2 blaster pieces, any color you want. If you want like this, and place them at the back nicely like this. Now that's great, and place them here on the second line. And you have some lines coming out, so that's good. Now we will deal with the all. First we take this piece, take these 4 blaster oils, and you place them on the thing nicely. It's like energy boosters, right? So light blue, dark blue, red, and yellow. You can choose any color and place a pizza piece on the top. And take this white one and place it here. And there. Just like that. And now we will do the top. Take a stairs and take this, and you will place it on the top, since there's a towel here. I can't place it. Just wait a moment. Like this. Now you're gonna decorate the top with the table at the side. Place the map, and then we'll take the bed pieces. These 4 light color, any color for your bed if you want, and there's a pillow for it, and a square at the bottom. Or could you just use this one? So you need a chair here. Here, right here. Here. Like this. Now that's nice. We can do other things now. We're gonna make an umbrella. Take your antenna piece. Take the cylinder top. The umbrella top. Like this. Poke it through the hole. Press it hard. So once you're done with this, you will need a black dot. A black dot and a milk cap. Put it like this. And you'll put it here at the side. And for your cap, we will put it here. So now all we have to do is put it here. Or you would prefer it like this, or would you prefer it the other way? I prefer the in way. It's quite nice. And take your energy boost piece and place it wherever you want. You can place it here if you want, on the tabletop here. Make sure you get a strong door because mine is a big door. Okay, so now you take your magic wand. It's for the blaster, so we can shoot. Okay, so that's how you put it. Just put it here with the holes. And this will be somebody traveling on the top. She's traveling, she's sitting down, she's looking at the map, the world, and the captain will be Ai. He's looking at the computer, just placing, but the way you take it out, you just take this thing out and place him here. He will be standing there with the blasters behind. It will shoot fire, but I didn't have fire. So, but if you have your fire with you, go put it with your blaster pieces. And your knight for the boat. Knight. So for the knight, you put it here on the stack is the very first step. Okay, so that's the boat. So if the boat moves, it arrives at the cafe of Stephanie. Outdoor cafe, claw machine. And there's some specialties. And that will be all for the day of Dodger 75. Thank you.